If you want to record sounds on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, it is pretty simple. You can just go to the app drawer and you can search for the recorder app. So you can go over here, you can use this red button and you can start recording yourself quite easily. Of course, if you go here for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions to be able to use the recorder, but it is pretty straightforward. You can of course create marks or bookmarks while recording in case you want to go back to specific sections later on. You can pause the recording as well or completely stop it once you are done. Then you can tap on the recording over here and you should be able to play it back. We also have the transcription, AI summary and AI clear voice. We can also add marks later on while replaying the audio, and you can tap on the icon on the left side with the flag to find all your marks created. In the upper right corner we have 3 dots that allow you to find some additional options. Leave a like and subscribe.